The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer carries over into its 8th model year on the 5th generation C1 platform with only minor updates. Chevy has tweaked its available color palette and slightly reshuffled trim-level packaging, but there are no major styling or powertrain changes from the outgoing 2025 model. The Blazer remains available in LT, RS, and Premia trims, each in front-wheel drive or AWD configurations. Pricing. Official MSRP details are pending Chevrolet's late 2025 announcement, but dealer estimates place the base LTFWD at approximately $38,000 with RS trims starting near $42,000 and Premia AWD climbing toward $48,000 when fully auctioned. High-end V6 and AWD packages can push well above $50,000. Expected launch and availability. Production begins in Q4 2025 at GM's Ramos Arizpe plant in Mexico. Dealers will receive their first 2026 model Blazers in late 2025, ahead of the winter selling season. Exterior features: sleek crossover profile, a sculpted hood and bold beltline carry over unchanged, with a signature dual-port grille flanked by LED daytime running lamps. Wheel options: standard 18-inch alloys on LT, 20-inch polished wheels on RS, 21-inch premium alloys on Premia. Lighting: standard LED projector headlights and tail lamps. Adaptive LED forward lighting is available on Premia AWD. Convenience: hands-free power liftgate on RS and Premia. Roof rack rails standard on all trims. Interior highlights: seating: a 2-to-3 configuration with 2 bucket seats up front and a 60/40 split bench rear seat, accommodating up to 5 passengers. Infotainment: Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system displayed on a 10-inch diagonal touchscreen, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment. Comfort and convenience: dual-zone automatic climate control, Qi wireless smartphone charging, standard on RS and Premia, and available heated front seats. Driver aids: standard Chevy Safety Assist Suite, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, following distance warning, plus adaptive cruise control and rear cross-traffic alert on Premia models. By maintaining its mid-cycle refresh items, modern tech, refined interiors, and proven powertrains, the 2026 Blazer offers buyers a familiar yet polished package in the highly competitive midsize SUV segment. With Q4 2025 production start and dealer deliveries before year's end, Chevrolet positions the Blazer to carry strong early demand into the 2026 model year.